Hi everyone, John Wascavage here. Welcome to our 10th episode of Codes Clips. Today I'm going to be talking to you about handrails going down the set of enclosed stairs. Now this set of stairs here, we're in a final inspection. This set of stairs goes to a basement area, and as you can see, we're enclosed here on both sides by wall, guarded so to speak. We have a set of stairs with this application. What the code calls for is a handrail to be installed the full way down the set of stairs. Now it has some ranges. It's 34 to 38 inches high, and we'll do measurements all the way down the set so we know we're consistent here. It's 36 inches. And then further down, midway, it's 36 inches. And we're taking our measurement from the nosing of the tread vertically. So we'll continue on to the last step, and it's 36 inches. Lastly, for handrails going downstairs, we want to make sure that the handrail is grippable and also structurally sound. So this handrail passes inspection. Let's go take a look, see what Sam's into.
Hey John, we're here at a house in the township. It's going through the framing stages right now, and one of the important structural issues that we look at is the roof system. These are trusses, and how the trusses are going to sit onto the wall here. This is what we refer to in the industry as a truss screw, and this actually holds the trusses down. And as we're inspecting, we're making sure one of these is in each at every truss. As you can tell, one has already been driven up through the double top plate at an angle to hold. It digs into the truss and holds it down. And there's something a little more complicated, but in the industry, it's preventative uplift value. It's to hold the roof down and onto the top plate and prevent any up force of wind loads. We're on the second story here, so a lot of wind can get under this edge of this roofing, and that's a very important structural element that we inspect during this stage of construction to make sure it's done. So we're going to go to Mike. He's going to talk to you about energy values.
Thanks, Sam. That was some great information as usual. Mike McDonald here, Silver Spring Township, coming to you on site at an energy inspection. What we're looking for here is the initial insulation. I believe Sam brought it up in an earlier codes clips about the attic insulation, and that's usually added near the end. But today we're looking at wall insulation and making sure that this house meets the R value ratings that Pennsylvania requires in our code book. As you can see, this piece of insulation here has a label of R21. Pennsylvania requires a wall insulation of R20. So yes, they did meet the criteria in this case. And the other thing we're looking for is all the insulation, which is 12-inch bats or wider, is marked this same way throughout the house. So we know that they're putting in the right stuff. Another thing we're going to look at when we're walking through is our windows. We like to make sure that they're sealed real well. You can see here that they just use some foam sealer around the edge. That helps any air leakage in and out. And then we come to our labeling of the window, and we look at our U factors and our solar gain heat coefficients and all these different things The big one we're looking for is the U factor, and that describes how energy efficient the window is and how well it'll perform in your house. So these are things that we look for to make sure that you have a comfortable house all winter and that it's up to par. So thanks for stopping by Code Clips, and we'll look forward to seeing you next month.